Unanimous conquest for the surprise, with Sylgar and Ogre claim the prize.
Welcome, mortals, to Xanathar's Card Quest. I am Xanathar, Tyrant of Treasure, Lord of Lairs, and your host for this glittering descent into cardboard madness. Joining me, as always, Og, my lovable disaster of an assistant, and Sylgar, my judgmental aquatic companion. Still waiting for that raise.
Hi, everybody! I'm ready to find golden chicken and maybe a snack of some kind.
Today, we open a single collector booster from Magic's Final Fantasy set in search of the legendary Golden Chocobo. You mean the golden chicken, genius? It is as majestic, flight-capable warbird, not poultry.
Maybe I'll use big sword to open pack. Shing!
By the 9 eyes, no, Og. Use scissors, not the sword of reckless idiocy.
Oh, yeah. Scissors. Right. Smarter. Got it.
Close enough.
Okay. Easy, Og. Gotta be gentle. Like peeling an onion. But the onion has treasure.
Wow. Depth and stupidity in one sentence. Impressive. If he slices a rare, I slice him.
Let's see what we got here. Okay, we're gonna start here. Hey, shiny hero. Woo, treasure. What else we got here? We have another shiny. Gold brain, gold something, gold beds. Yeah. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Ooh, shiny. Hey, that's got a chicken. Does that count, boss? Shiny island. Ooh, there's an island full of shinies? I want to go there. Ooh, another shiny card. Maybe I'll take this one, save it for later as a snack. He's scary, I don't like him. Oh, another shiny card. Snack number 2, maybe? Another shiny card. Wow, there's a lot of snacks in here. I'll put that back. Okay. Another shiny card. Put it back. Beavers. Why do I want to talk to beavers? I don't know. Ooh, a ball. Can I have this one, boss? No. But it's a ball. I want the ball.
Alas, the golden chicken has eluded me, like common sense eludes Og. No glittering bird, no triumphant squawk, just disappointment. And Og's fingerprints all over everything. Maybe you're the real chicken. You're lucky you're adorable. you judgmental little water balloon. But mark my words, the horde grows, the hunt continues, and I will pluck that feathery myth from the cardboard void yet. Join me next time for another thrilling step in the quest for the golden chicken.